Hey, what's up, guys? We got a couple people on. Wait a little bit longer, and then we're going to get started. Thanks for joining. Good luck. So as you can see, we got our 4 playoff blasters. So we should get one autograph or mem card in there. Here's all 4 of them. And then we're trying our Panini Contenders again. Really hoping we get an auto on these. Yeah, it's crazy. The autographs for these, for the rookies, they are so high in value. I know there's not a lot of rookies in here, but if you get an auto, these things go for a ton. So we definitely want to hit some of those. I'm going to do the playoffs first. Might mix in one of the contenders in the middle, but yeah, we're going to rip the playoff. You know, there's going to be a lot of base. We'll get through those and then see what kind of inserts we get. The playoffs definitely have some cool inserts. Actually, some of my favorites. The resale's not huge in them, but I think they're really cool looking. So, good luck, everybody. It's crazy. Sunday without football. Got a lot of laundry done. Didn't have anything else to do. So, only one more week, and then we're going to be doing that for a while. All right, let's get started. All right, we got Kyler Murray, Landon Collins, Jared Cook. Nice. There you go, Bengals, right away. Nice behind the numbers, Mr. Joe Burrow. Isaiah Hodgins, Mark Ingram, Frank Clark, Juju Smith-Schuster. It's a good start right there, pack number 1. Nice hit for the Bengals. All right, we got Matty Ice, Bobby Wagner, Kenny Galladay. Oh, nice. A red behind the numbers, Jordan Love. That is a sweet-looking card. Wow, nice hit there for the pack. Cool. Zach Bond, T.Y. Hilton, Julian Edelman, Derrick Henry. That's a sharp-looking card right there. I doubt Rodgers leaves, but I sure hope he does. No idea if Jordan Love's going to be good. He probably will be, but would love to see Aaron Rodgers out of here. Good start. 2 packs, 2 nice hits right there behind the numbers. All right, I think we got our I'm going to wait for that one. Feels like a little bit thicker for our mem card. All right, we got Michael Gallup, Adam Thielen, and Scary Terry McLaurin, Andre Johnson, Kevon Chason, Deontay Johnson, Josh Allen, and Darius Leonard. Kenyon Drake, Ryan Kerrigan, Alvin Kamara, Jared Allen behind the numbers, Cam Akers. Rams are going to be fun next year. They got Stafford. He is a gamer, man. He played through all kinds of injuries. One of the worst offensive lines. Lions just in general, a terrible team. Marlon Humphrey, Chris Jones, Kids Reporter. Yeah, the Rams are going to be awesome next year. With that defense, Stafford, he's still got a lot left, I think. Actually excited for him, too. Todd Gurley, Steve Largent, Marvin Jones, Jalen Reagor, Josiah DeGora, LT, Paris Campbell, Jarrett Stidham. Yeah, it's going to be fun to see where all the quarterbacks end up. Sounds like there's going to be a lot of moving pieces. Raheem Mostert, Michael Thomas, Evan Ingram. Oh, there you go, Tampa Bay. Thunder and Lightning, some old school. Simeon Rice, Rondé Barber. DeAndre Swift. Peyton Manning. Jamison Crowder. And Drew Lock. And our last pack should have our mem card. Yep. Oh, and our rookie wave. There you go, Washington. Mr. Antonio Gibson. Let's leave him real quick. Great class for the football team of rookies. Nice Joshua Kelly. Andre Tippett. Got Mr. Baker Mayfield. Joey Bosa. Our kids reporter. Mike Allstott. And Saquon Barkley. Let's see who we got here. With our patch. To the Colts. Jonathan Taylor. What an end of the season he had. Nice hit for the Colts. All right, that's a good first blaster there. Nice quarterbacks. Nice Jonathan Taylor and Gibson to end it right there. We'll take that. Let's keep it going with the rookies and QBs. Maybe get a Claypool or Justin Jefferson in there. Let's see an auto this box. All right, we got Jalen Smith, Danielle Hunter, Cooper Kupp, and our rookie wave. Oh, nice. Chiefs. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. There you go. Joe Reed, Austin Eckler, Andre Johnson, N'Keal Harry. Yeah, I really like these cards. The look of them and the feel. Nice little run for running backs there. All right, Anthony Miller, Mike Evans, Miles Sanders. We got a green, Adam Trotman. Two a time. Nice. There you go, Dolphins, Tannehill, Lamar, and a Patty Mahomes. That's a good run right there. Yeah, there's a bunch of rumors, obviously, with the quarterbacks. Hearing Tua maybe coming to my Bears in a little trade. I doubt it, but wouldn't mind it. Good hit for the Dolphins. All right, Christian McCaffrey, a DK Metcalf, Jimmy G, Mr. Drew Brees behind the numbers, Ben DiNucci, Joe Thomas, John Brown, and Mike Gesicki. Kerryon Johnson, Aeneas Williams, Zach Ertz, Darius Leonard, kickoff, green, Cesar Ruiz, Mark Brunell, Marquise Brown, and Mecole Hardman Jr. All right, there's our mem card. Oh, we got another red coming up. All right, we'll put that one to the end. Those reds are sharp. All right, so we got Tanner Muse, Jason Taylor, Jonnu Smith, Mark Andrews, Kirk Cousins, Jerry Rice, Allen Robinson, and who do we got for the Texans? Oh, nice. J.J. Watt, red. Sweet looking card. Here you go, Houston. Yeah, we'll see where he ends up, too. Sounds like he's going to be out of Texas as well. Chris Godwin. Primetime Deion Sanders. George Kittle. Thunder and Lightning with Dak Prescott and Ezekiel Elliott. Freddie Swain. Is that Swain? Yep. Brandon Cooks, Albert Wilson, Josh Allen. Nope, nothing yet, Cody. We are about to finish up our second blaster of the playoffs. So we're just getting started here. All right, and this pack should be our mem card. Oh, Packers. Packers always do good on these. Call to arms, Mr. Not Brett Favre. Aaron Rodgers. So we got Jordan Love, Aaron Rodgers. Probably Brett Favre will show up somewhere. Gabriel Davis. Austin Hooper. Tyrod Taylor. Zach Cunningham. Kids Reporter. DJ Moore. Dak. Oh, did I show it a little bit? I think so. Let's see. Oh, the Jets. Oh, which way is it? There you go. It's a nice hit for the Jets. Denzel Mims. Super excited to see him with the quarterback next year. Nice hit, Jets. All right, on to the third blaster. After this one, I think I'm going to do one of the contenders, and we'll finish up with the playoff. All right, let's see. Got to get our boy Herbert, obviously. Let's see some Jalen Hurts. Get him in there. All right, Todd Gurley, Steve Largent, Marvin Jones. Another one. Oh, there you go. Here's a modern one for the Bucks. Nice Thunder and Lightning with Gronk and Mike Evans. Oh, Packers again. Jordan Love. Ryan Fitzmagic. Joe Mixon. Josh Jacobs. Packers, that's two Jordan Loves with a nice Aaron Rodgers as well. All right, Kenyon Drake, Ryan Kerrigan, Alvin Kamara, Zach Bond Green, Nate Stanley, Minka Fitzpatrick, Jim Kelly, and Gardner Minshew. Oh. Michael Gallup, Adam Thielen, Terry McLaurin, behind the numbers to the Lions, Barry Sanders, KJ Hamler, Le'Veon Bell, Von Miller, and Chad Ochocinco Johnson. And he was a wild dude when he was playing. He was good, but he was a little bit out there. Definitely a good player, though. All right, Mike Allstott. There's tons of these of Mike Allstotts in here. Saquon Barkley, Matty Ice, Aaron Rodgers, green, C.J. Henderson, Keenan Allen, David Johnson, and Noah Fant. All right, I don't feel any thick packs, so I'm hoping we got an auto in here. Bobby Wagner, Kenny Galladay. Oh, is this our auto? Nice. There you go, Steelers. A rookie auto. Let's go. Anthony McFarland Jr. Nice. It's a nice little surprise there. We'll take that. There you go, Steelers. Let's go. Got a rookie wave right behind it. Joshua Kelly. Nice. All right, we got our first auto rookie. Then we got Reed Sinnett. No idea who that is. Tyler Boyd, Darren Waller, James Conner. Two more packs in the third blaster. All Well, we got our red coming up. Kyler Murray, Landon Collins, Jared Clark, and the Rams. Oh, this ain't a red. This is just a rookie wave. Is that? No, it is still a red, though. Nice. And we got a red. You can see the difference. Sweet. There you go, Rams. Cam Akers. He looked good when he got to be the feature back for him. Benjamin, Tre'Davious White, D.D. Westbrook, Sam Darnold. All right, last pack of Blaster number 3. Tiki Barber, Aaron Donald, Brian Urlacher. Is that a number 10 that we see? 1. Oh, I thought that was going to be, I think Herbert. He's 10 too. Jerry Jeudy, that ain't bad for the Broncos. He's just got to get a quarterback too. I do not think Drew Lock is the answer there. Jacob Eason, Melvin Gordon, Jermaine Pratt, Charles Woodson, and Brian Urlacher. All right, let's try a Contenders. See if we can't get an auto here. Yeah, from what I saw in the last break, there's a ton of just veteran base. And you get a rookie, normally jersey, 1 per pack. I have not pulled any autos yet, so we'll see. But this is only the second one, so hopefully we do tonight. Like I said, these are huge in resale value if you get an auto. We got Keenan Allen, Gronkowski, Melvin Gordon, Alshon Jeffrey, Phillip Rivers, Big Ben, Dak Prescott, and a winning ticket, Christian McCaffrey. DJ Chark Jr., Ryan Tannehill, Marvin Jones, Jason Witten, he announced his retirement for the second time. Teddy Bridgewater, Delvin Cook, the Cheetah, Tyreek Hill, and MVPs, Matt Ryan. All right, this one feels a little thick. All right, we got a rookie in the back there. Richard Sherman, Roquan, Alvin Kamara, Todd Gurley. We got J.J. Watt, Juju Smith-Schuster. Oh, what is this? Oh, nice. We got another Anthony McFarland. Let's go. Got a green rookie ticket memorabilia card, and then rookie of the year, Jake Fromm. There we go, Steelers. Nice. Jalen Ramsey, Tom Brady, Drew Lock, Sony Michel, Larry Fitzgerald, Austin Eckler, Mike Evans. Got Steve Young, legendary, and a kids reporter. Got to sleeve up the GOAT now. If he could win, that would be absolutely incredible. He's obviously the greatest already, but man, to pull this one off, be amazing. All right, we got Tre'Davious White, Josh Allen, Terry McLaurin, Matthew Stafford, Phillip Lindsay, Josh Jacobs, Tyler Boyd, and the Seattle Seahawks got DJ Dallas and Kobe Parkinson. All right, let's finish off our last playoff. Still haven't seen any Herberts yet. Or Jalen Hurts. Yeah, the Contenders, it's hard to hit rookies. There are not a lot in there. All right, Dwayne Haskins, Emmitt Smith, Devontae Adams. In our rookie wave, Devin Duvernay, Terrell Lewis, Melvin Gordon, Jermaine Pratt, Charles Woodson. Okay, we got Tyler Higbee, David Montgomery, the GOAT, Tom, Freddie Swain, Desmond Patton, Stephon Gilmore, Cortland Sutton, and A.J. Green. Nope, I thought we had a mem card. All right, Brian Dawkins, Luke Kuechly, Will Dissly. And call to arms, Carson Wentz. Hey, there's a Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. Hunter Renfrow, Big Ben, Tremaine Edmonds. Don't think this is the quarterback we want for the Eagles, but who knows? I don't think they even know. Kind of a disaster up there, it sounds like. So first, Justin Jefferson. All right, we got Zadarius Smith, Eric Dickerson, Teddy Bridgewater, OBJ, green kickoff, Harrison Bryant, rookie, DJ Chark, Chris Herndon, Philip Lindsay. Leighton Vander Esch, Randy Moss, and a rookie stallion, Baltimore. Nice run for Devin Duvernay. Back-to-back inserts and packs. Then we got Thunder and Lightning, Josh Jacobs and Henry Ruggs. A.J. Dillon, Sam Hubbard, Phillip Rivers, the retired Phillip Rivers, Sony Michel. It'll be interesting to see what the Raiders do, too. Sounds like they're not all that happy with Derek Carr. Not sold on him being their future QB. Like I said, it sounds like there's going to be a lot of guys moving. If you don't got a quarterback in this league, you got no chance. Robert Woods. This is why my Bears have no chance. Mitchell Trubisky. Rob Gronkowski. Niners. Sweet Red. Thunder and Lightning. Ricky Waters. Jerry Rice. Jake Luton. Javon Curse. Ed Reed. And Tony Gonzalez. All right, last pack of the Playoff Blasters. Fletcher Cox, Brian Burns, Tyler Lockett, and DeAndre Hopkins, Cardinals. Oh, I'm missing one. DeAndre Swift, it's the second base we've gotten. Vance McDonald, Devin Singletary, Peyton Manning. All right, so we're still waiting for our first Herbert sighting. Let's get in one of these. That would be nice. Yeah, the redemption autos for these are absolutely insane, the price. Let's see if we can get something. All right, Devontae Adams, DK Metcalf, OBJ, Philip Lindsay, Josh Jacobs, Tyler Boyd, Kirk Cousins. Nice. There you go, Chiefs, Mr. MVP, Patty Mahomes. He's going to be the Super Bowl MVP. At least that's what I'm going to be betting on. I think I got to ride with the Chiefs. Even with their offensive line injuries. Can't go against them. Daniel Jones, Lamar, A.J. Brown, Kerryon Johnson. Nice. Patty Mahomes, Marlon Mack, A.J. Green, Rookie of the Year. There we go. Nice pack for the Chiefs. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. I think if Mahomes wins this one, gets his second, he will tie Brady or have more Super Bowl wins. But I do not see him getting to, what, Brady has 10? I think he might win the same, but not get to as many appearances. All right, so we got Carson Wentz, David Montgomery, Drew Brees, Cam Newton, Kyler Murray, Joey Bosa, Chris Godwin, and the legendary John Green. Julio, Keenan Allen, Gronkowski, Melvin Gordon, Cortland Sutton, Miles Sanders, Joe Mixon. Oh, nice. Joey Burrow with the Tua. Nice. So what I'm going to do after this break, I'm going to kind of clean up everything, and I'll do a random. I'm going to repost a video. I'll do a random. Unless we get another one of these, then each team will get it. But yeah, it'll be like 5 minutes after the video. I'll do the whole thing online so you guys all see it. Yeah, it'll be random. It's a nice card right there. Burrow and Tua. That ain't bad. We got Alshon Jeffrey, DJ Chark, Ryan Tannehill. Oh, no. Julian Edelman, Aaron Rodgers, TJ Watt. And we got points. Well, that ain't bad. I mean, I wish it was an auto. I will also do a random on this with all teams that I'll post after the break. So stay tuned for that. And Drew Lock. Shoot. That was our autograph spot right there, and they gave us points. All right, let's get one here. One auto. All right, Aaron Jones, Nick Bosa, Myles Garrett, Sterling Shepard, Dak Prescott, Jason Witten, Teddy Bridgewater, and MVP Josh Allen. Lots of people were picking Buffalo to beat the Chiefs. They started out hot. But, of course, Mahomes and co. came storming back. Like they always do. Mark Ingram, Jared Goff, now a Lion. Leighton Vander Esch, Delvin Cook, Tyreek Hill, J.J. Watt, Juju Smith-Schuster, Cam Akers. Cam Akers is hot. And Kids Reporter. Le'Veon Bell, Josh Allen, Preston Williams, Dwayne Haskins. He just signed with the Steelers. How could players be traded now and sign with other teams? Like, the season's still going on. I did not understand how that was going on. Sony Michel, Larry Fitzgerald, Austin Eckler, and a legendary Mr. Dan Marino. That's a cool card. Two more for this box, and then we'll be on to our last one. Okay, we got Devontae Adams, DK Metcalf, OBJ, Mike Evans, Philip Lindsay, Josh Jacobs, Tyler Boyd, Rookie of the Year, Michael Pittman Jr. Nice. He came on strong, too, at the end. I really like Pittman. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see who the Colts get as a quarterback. They're in a very good position. All right, we got Daniel Jones, Lamar Jackson, A.J. Brown, Kerryon Johnson, Kirk Cousins, Patty Mahomes. Oh, what do we got here? Nice, there we go. Oh, the Packers. Kamal Martin. Then we got a dual round numbers for the Raiders. Nice. See, these are sweet. Kamal Martin. Is he running back? No. Defensive player. What the heck? It's a weird picture for a defensive guy. All right. Packers having a good break. Very nice. They got a bunch of inserts. Got the first auto. Nice. All right, last blaster. Yeah, those are so cool looking. They're tough to get. All right, let's get a Justin Herbert one. Have that be the only card. That's all the Chargers need. All right, Alshon Jeffrey, DJ Chark, Ryan Tannehill, Marvin Jones, Adam Thielen, Travis Kelce, Keenan Allen, and we got Henry Ruggs and Jerry Jeudy. So this will be random too. I'll first check to see if the guy or whoever owns both of these teams, obviously if they have both, they get it anyways, but if not, this will be randomized after this video. We'll go live. Richard Sherman, Roquan Smith, Alvin Kamara, Sean Watson, Russell Wilson, Baker Mayfield, DeAndre Hopkins, and a winning ticket, Russell Wilson. Todd Gurley, Jalen Ramsey, Tom Brady, Drew Lock, Phillip Rivers, Big Ben. What is this? Oh, what is this here? Oh, there we go, Jets. Nice. Boom. Back to back. Sweet. Well, Michael Pirine. Nice. Here we go. Back-to-back autos in the blasters. We'll take that. Nice. Let's go Jets. All right. Tre'Davious White, Josh Allen, Terry McLaurin, Dak Prescott, Jason Witten, Teddy Bridgewater, Dalvin Cook, Jonathan Taylor, Rookie of the Year, and a Kids Reporter. Nice. I'm pumped we got those two autos. Those are big. Not sure who the guy on the Packers is, but I definitely know Pirine. All right, last one. We got Matthew Stafford. Now the Ram. Jimmy G, Khalil Mack, Michael Thomas, Tyreek Hill, J.J. Watt, Juju Smith-Schuster, and a legendary of Eric Dickerson. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Give me like 5 minutes. I'm going to clean up here, and then I'm going to do the two randoms for the dual cards and then the points. So I'll post that on a video in about 5 minutes.